Hi everyone. Today we are in Coex, South Korea, exhibiting in Korea Vision Show. Here we have got a new demo.
A 360-degree camera system that equips autonomous mobile robots, automated guided vehicles, and other remote-enabled vehicles with a bird's eye view of their surroundings. This demo comprises of 4 Steadicam 21 cameras with Econ's proprietary image stitching algorithm running on top of NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin. Next, we have our digital microscope demo based on 5 megapixel Sony Pregious IMX264 global shutter camera. This runs on a deep learning algorithm to count RBC and WBC in the human blood sample. Also, we have demo of two 13 megapixel GMSL2 camera streaming connected to Qualcomm Robotics RB5 platform. We also have 8 megapixel RGB IR USB 3 camera based on Onsemi AR0830. Apart from this, we have our Roti Cam based on Sony Starvis IMX462 Gigi Power over Ethernet camera and our other latest camera displayed at the show.
Looking forward to help our South Korean customers with their vision needs.